In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Interacty. For those of you who don't know what Interacty is a gamification platform that helps you create interactive content to supercharge engagement and collect more leads. In other words, it's basically surveys, quizzes, polls, lead gen capture forms designed in a gaming way to create a fun experience for the prospect. I'm going to show you everything you want to know about Interacty, and if you have any questions, comment them below. I tend to reply within a few minutes to a couple of hours, and I'll also leave a special discounted link that I'll keep updated so you always get your money's worth. Here we are in the dashboard of Interacty. It's a pretty simple interface where you have your template button where you can create from scratch, you can learn with all the additional training and where you can get started. Scrolling down, it showcases some of the templates that you can instantly start using, and when you select on see all templates, this will show all the categories and different style templates you can use. Now there's tons of different templates that you can utilize, so to save the video from dragging on, I'm going to cover a couple of themes and then I'll let you go and explore the software in your own time. The first template we're going to start trying is find a pair. Select one of the many templates, but let's go ahead and do fast food restaurant. You can preview it. This is what it looks like in the preview, and then when they match it, you can customize the description with anything you want. So for example, you get a discount code. It is mobile friendly and you can share the links on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or email. Wherever you want to share it, it can be shared. Let's go ahead and use this layout. And now they've added a simple click editor where we click buttons and we can start telling a story. So you can start typing in text just like that, and these are all the drag and drop elements you can add to the page. So if you want to add a video, click on video, and now the video's here, and all you need to do to embed a video is go to a YouTube video, click on the embed button, copy it, and then paste it here, and that will update accordingly. If you want to add a button, you can do, and you can customize the link, the colors, and the text just by clicking here. You can rearrange elements by clicking the up or down arrow, and then when we preview it, the full effects happen. Now to edit the interactive elements, go ahead and click edit, and you can change the layout to, let's say, larger, or just keep it as it was. You can also change your playing card by uploading your own graphics, or it's got a built-in API to Unsplash website where you've got all these stock images, and then you can see it automatically changes. So we go ahead and do save, and now that's been changed. You can then move on, and you can change each image that you want to match them all up with just by clicking the upload image, and again, you can change it. You can also add custom text, and that will update accordingly. They also have a cool show feedback for found pairs, so you can actually add feedback every single time they find a relevant pair. The final screen will show the your end offer, and it automatically populates disclaimers from stock images. You can also change the color theme. You can also add privacy onto it so people need to sign in before they can complete the game. And you can add a leaderboard which will show all the other people and how fast they managed to do it and how many moves, which is also tracked right here at the top on both sides. You can change the timer, so you can change it to a classic timer or a countdown timer. And then if they don't complete the game in time, you can customize the page that says game over. You can also add a call to action. And if you want to add a lead form, select that box and do customize. You can then add in these default fields or even add your own fields here. You can brand it with your logo, descriptions, button text, and even integrate it with MailChimp. You can also add a call to action button, and if you have multiple pages, you can do add page on the left, create the page, click on all blocks, and then maybe do a personality quiz or something on those lines. And it will show all the different templates as well. When you're happy with it, go ahead and do publish, and then you can copy the link, and this is what it will look like. The game will start once the person clicks on one of the buttons, and then once they've finished the quiz, they're redirected to your next page where they can fill out the form details, or whatever your next steps were. Once you've created the campaign, it's then shown in your dashboard with a snapshot of how many views it's had, how many people have engaged with it, and then it shows more detailed information like the geo. You can also break it down by which quiz they have filled out, and it gives summaries of every part of the quiz. If you have team members that you would also like to manage this for you, you can click the invite members, enter their email, and then they can join the platform. If you're looking for something a bit more business-like, under the lead form category, you have tons of templates as well. Let's go ahead and do this landing page with a lead generation. We're going to do use layout, and just like previously, it shows the exact same interface where you can customize, and here's the form that you can get people to fill out. When you're done, go ahead and do publish, and once again, share the link, and this is what it looks like. To give you an idea of just how many templates there are, you've got everything from interactive worksheets to treasure hunts to a ranking battle. Let's go ahead and try a treasure hunt. Let's go ahead and preview this template, and this is what it will look like. Open the slots to get your hands on a treasure map, and it's asking this question. Let's go ahead and answer it, and then it unlocks it, and you can customize all these questions as you deem fit. So the question is, what do I think of Interacty? Truth be told, I actually really enjoyed using it. I've not come across any softwares that have made this style of lead generation so fun, but not just fun, but so simple for the admin to actually implement these sort of templates. I think they've made a fantastic job of streamlining the whole editing process and making all these elements just really useful. Often when I do reviews, I find maybe a little glitch here or a little bug there, but ultimately I didn't find anything problematic with Interacty. I think gamifying your lead generation is a fantastic way to increase your conversion rate, because let's face it, everyone is doing the same thing when it comes to lead gen. The advert is often different sometimes, but the actual process of grabbing people's information or getting people to submit these forms is usually the same. So making your audience earn it by completing a game is kind of the same thing as getting them to say yes, 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 yes over and over. So would I recommend Interacty to a friend? Yes, I definitely would. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.